This month's neck and ankle stability work, we're just working on head rotations, lateral, using the Swissball. So it's really important to keep the tongue on the roof of the mouth, jaw closed, mouth closed. You can do a couple of different versions. You can do it where you keep the shoulders completely still and just do the movement in the cervical spine, or you can rotate the shoulders so it's still conditioning all the way around. These work really well. You just got to be patient and keep them low level so it really gets in there deep. But choose a version and then work with it. Don't step too far away from the ball so it's not too much pressure going into the neck, and just be mindful of how much force is going in there and how much fatigue there is. Then we've got the calf raises, doing straight and doing that extra raise each time so you get a stretch, doing a turn out and a turn in. You can do 15 seconds of the turn out, turn in, and then 30 seconds straight, or 30 seconds straight first. They're the easier ones. That's how I do it in the class, so it's a bit easier on a timer. Get them back to me if you've got any questions. Get them done, 6 minutes a week. It's worth it, 3 sets.